So hey guys, it's me again, Shay, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, guys, our content would be a day in my life as a solo living independent girly in my early 20s. So basically, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga ginagawa ko sa isang buong araw as a solo living independent girly. So today is June 9, Monday, and it is 6:46 in the morning. So of course, since it's morning, we're going to cook breakfast. First things first. So tara. Our breakfast for today, guys, is tosilog. So I have here tocino, egg, and then sinangag bitter. So I am done cooking my breakfast, guys. It's already 7:01, and here is my breakfast. So I have here tocino, egg, sinangag, and then my vitamin C, and then my milk.
Thrilled to see me. Even Amanda and Daisy, the most popular Mean Girls, gave me compliments.
I am done eating, guys, and I watched something on YouTube lang, and it's already 8:30 a.m. and I'm kinda sleepy again, so I will going to sleep again. This is a realistic day in my life. So, hindi ko papigilan ng antok ko. Matutulog ulit ako. I'll be back at lunch. Probably before lunch ako gigising. Or worst, after lunch pa. Ganun talaga. Kumakain lang talaga ako lagi ng breakfast and then I'll sleep again. Cause I'm sleepy. I'm a sleepyhead. Good afternoon, guys. I'm back. And I look like a cocoon. Good afternoon, guys. And I'm back. Time check, it's already 2:15 p.m. So, I overslept. But that's okay. And I'm so hungry na ayoko pa bumangon actually. I'm so hungry na. Anyway, bandang mga 11 p.m. nagising ako kasi sobrang init. Nag-on ako ng aircon. Then, natulog ulit ako. So, ayan. Good afternoon, guys. So, let's prep my lunch and clean my room. Pretty little baby, hi hi. I'm gonna go to gym, yay! It's already 5:14 p.m. Dahil nag-scroll muna ako bago maligo at mag-ayos. Ang budget natin for today, guys, is kumukulog-kulog. So, probably, syempre, uulan. Sana hindi ako maabutan. So, medyo minamadali ko na din yung sarili ko. So, I'm just gonna prep lang my face and I'm gonna go. Ayan, I'm already done prepping na, guys. So, here's my fit. So, I've decided na mag-short na lang papunta ng gym since baka maulan din naman. And, ayun. I'm gonna go na. So, here is the fit check. So, I'm wearing short lang. So, yun na nga din. Sumaambon na. So, I'm already at the gym, guys. And today, we're gonna do leg and quads. So, let's go. So, I am done with my gym, guys. So, hindi ko na na-film yung iba kasi maglulobot na ako. 19% na lang ako. And since mag-grocery ako, I need to have pottery. So, let's go to the grocery. Maambon pa rin. Bahain dito. I'm here na. Nahihiya ako. Nahihiya ako mag-vlog pero di naman nila ako kilala. So first, let's go get the rice. So sabi ko, ang bibilin ko lang is rice, milk, and bread. Pero ending, napuno na naman niya ang card niya. Sobrang gastos. Feeling ko, nagpas 1K na naman to. Which is ang budget ko lang weekly for grocery is 1,000. Sagat na yun. Nagpas na naman siya. It's okay. Ilan na ako for Can you believe ito pa lang abutin na ng 600 pesos? Should I buy this? Should I buy this? Yes. just got home, guys. Nasugatan ako. Okay. Yung lalagyanan ng egg sa plastic. Tumama siya sa akin habang kinikerry ko yung plastic bags. Nangyari pa ako. You know, guys, this is the reality of being an independent girly. The hardest part of it all, talaga, hindi yung pagluluto, hindi yung paglilinis. Kung hindi, yung pagpapamili, yung pag-grocery, pagbabay ng something. Kasi, of course, you are an independent. That means, you need to carry it all din. Yan talaga yung pinakamahirap sa akin. Lalo na when there's rice, there's milk. Ay, naku. Ang bigat. Muting, then, mag-carry ka ng mga pinamili mo. Sobrang hirap. Yan talaga yung pinakamahirap para sa akin. Ito yung mga binili ko. It's 3 bags. Nakapagod. Nag-iisip ako kung ano yung dinner ko for today. Kung magra-rice ba ako. Or kung magra-rice ba ako. Or magbe-bread. Dito ako nasugat, guys, kanina. Itong ganito. Na-stuck. Wala na. May kailangan ng lutuin agad. Bakit na yung sign na mag-bread na lang ako? Ay! I forgot to buy pita. Months na akong hindi bumibili ng tocino, ham, hotdog, ganyan. Pero lately, simula nung previous grocery ko, bumili ako ng tocino. Ngayon bumili naman ako ng ham. So, isa lang dapat per week. Isang processed food lang. Kasi mas mabilis siyang lutuin kapag kagaya kanina, 'di ba? Late na naman akong nagising nung lunch ko. Sobrang late na ng lunch ko. So, kapag mag-cook pa ako, mag-take siya ng time. So, bumili na ako ng ham. Hindi kasi ako, guys, mahilig sa mga processed food tsaka delata. Kapag mag-isa ako, nagluluto talaga ako ng nilaga, adobo, sinigang, kare-kare. Mga ganun talaga ang food ko. Hindi ako sanay ng delata. Ang pinaka-delata ko lang is tuna. Mega tuna. Kasi mataas ang protein content niya. So I have decided na, guys, to eat rice for dinner. And I'm gonna cook steak for tonight. By the way, guys, ang steak ko for tonight is T-bone steak. This is the steak. Ooh. Just need to season it with salt and pepper. So we just need some rosemary leaves and then some butter. And then yung salt and pepper, then yung steak. For my side, I just prepared some potato marbles na chinop ko into 4 pieces. So this is my dinner, guys. I have here rice, T-bone steak, creamy potato salad. And tonight, I'm gonna watch Backup Plan. Kasi kung natitikman niyo siya right now, baka na-in-love na kayo sa akin. Oo, eh! Masarap talaga. Mananood na ako. Tapusin ko tong backup plan and then I'm going to eat na din. See you later. Alligator! I am done eating, guys. And hindi ko natapos yung movie na pinapanood ko. Later, continue ko. So, ayun. Nag-TikTok live ako kanina. Now, I'm going to get Anne ready. I'm ready with me. So, iibahin ko ngayon yung routine ko. Ito yung nakita kong routine sa TikTok. Ito kaliit, 179. Original moisturizer. So, I am ending this vlog, guys, by a quote that living alone doesn't mean that you are doing your life alone. It just means that you are creating your space to grow, heal, to discover yourself, and to learn to love your own presence. So, if you are on this chapter 2 or if you want to try living alone, I hope you take it slow. Enjoy your own company and grow and heal by yourself. And feel proud at yourself for doing everything alone and for building your life one step at a time. That is it for this vlog, guys. I hope you have learned something from me and you've enjoyed watching this vlog. That's the most important thing. So, I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Please comment next content. Bye, guys! Peace out and share.